Welcome back to the channel. Today we learn Perkins EST, the electronic service tool for Perkins engines. Generators, pumps, and tractors, millions of engines answer to this software. Connect with a compatible adapter and open EST. The software detects the ECM and shows the summary, serial number, ratings, and software level. Confirm before you continue. Check active codes for current problems and logged events for the history. Every event carries operating hours, so you can match failures to real service dates. Status groups show live data, pressures, temperatures, and speeds. Build a custom layout and watch the engine under load. Generator engines especially reveal issues only when loaded. Run the cylinder cutout to isolate weak cylinders, or test injector solenoids directly. EST guides each procedure so results are consistent, technician to technician. After injector replacement, load the matching trim files. The ECM compensates for each injector individually, restoring factory performance and emissions compliance. Field tips. On generators, make sure control power is stable before sessions. Check harness connectors before blaming sensors. And save the ECM configuration for the site file. That is Perkins EST from connection to trim files. We provide the full version with remote installation and support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next video.